Since its beginning, Samsung has dominated the foldable phone industry. However, Huawei suddenly snuck in and took the top spot. The big issue is whether the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 AI capabilities will help Samsung retake the foldable reign. Samsung Mobile's CEO appears to believe so. After the Unpacked event, he told a local magazine that he expects the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 to sell 10% more than their predecessors. They sold around 12 million Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, so a 10% increase would put it slightly over a million. While this may not seem to be a large amount, any increase is a good sign for Samsung, particularly after losing market share last year. Here are several details of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that few people are talking about. First, the rubber lining between the frame and the screen. It's no longer the shiny rubber we're accustomed to. Instead, Samsung decided with a matte finish. This may seem to be a simple change, but it has the potential to greatly enhance grip and eliminate fingerprints, a win for daily usage. Second, concentric rings surround each camera lens on the Z Fold 6 model. Now, these rings seem to be rather sharp, so running your fingers over them may leave a mark. Many people expected S Pen support on the Z Fold S6 cover screen, however it is still not available. The Z Fold 6, like the S24 Ultra, now offers always-on display wallpaper. Before we go any further, just a reminder that the Z Fold 6 is offered at a $100 discount today only. Starting tomorrow, until the pre-order window ends, the discount is $50. So, if you're thinking about pre-ordering, now's the time. In addition, you will get a free storage upgrade, a trade-in discount of up to $1,200, a free Samsung Care Plus membership, and select package deals. Check out the offer link in the description. On the other side of the foldable war, Honor, a Chinese manufacturer, is criticizing Samsung and the Z Fold 6. They claimed that the thinness of their foldable, the Honor Magic V2, is much superior than the Z Fold 6. While this may be an exaggeration, the Honor Magic V2 is impressively thin, measuring 9.9 mm when folded compared to the Z Fold 6's 12.1 mm. To be honest, the technology in the Honor Magic V2 is impressive, and I wouldn't mind seeing that type of thinness in a future Z Fold. But here's the thing, specifications are just one element of the jigsaw. Consider this approach. You wouldn't purchase a costly sports vehicle unless you knew it was reliable. This is also true for phones. Durability, software quality, and long-term support are all critical. That's where the Fold series excels. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.